Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, Champaign County, south central Logan County, northeastern Miami County until 10 p.m. At 9:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piqua, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Piqua, Urbana, St. Paris, West Liberty, Fletcher, Lockington, Thackeray, Rosewood, Westville, Carysville, Lippincott, Malou, Plattsville, Spring Hills, Millerstown, Kaiser Lake State Park, Farrington, Terre Haute, and Powhatan. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 78 and 88.